In this example, we're going to, not that we would know at the outset, but we're going to be using similarity and proportionality along with Pythagoras. And so they've told us that AB is the diameter and it's 20. So AB is 20 centimeters and AC is 16 centimeters. And so a couple of things. If O is this, and O is the center of a circle, if O is the center of the circle, then the radius would be 10, and so it's worth filling out all the, this one gets a bit more confusing because it's OD, but all the radii, it's good to fill in immediately that they're all equal and they equal 10. And you'd need to state that. Secondly, if AC is 16 centimeters, and they've also told us that this is perpendicular. If it's perpendicular a chord to the center, then it splits the line in half, it bisects it. And so if it's 16, then each of these would be 8 centimeters. So the one thing that you can notice is you've got the normal proportionality triangle set up, and so you can use that for anything that we might need in the question, and that in this specific case it would be the midpoint theorem. So if, for example, this answer ends up being 2, then the base would be 4 because it's midpoint theorem. All the sides are being cut in half. So keep that in mind just for discussion purposes. What they want me to work out is they want me to find ED. And so I also know that this is a diameter which makes an angle of 90 degrees, angles in semicircle. So that's another way, if they didn't give us this 90, that we could have got that 90 and then done corresponding or co-interior to get this 90. I'm going to focus most of my attention in this little triangle here and do Pythagoras. So if I need EO squared, it will be the hypotenuse squared minus the other side squared. That leaves you with 36. So then EO is 6. And you know that from the beginning that DO was a radius. So that's 10. Therefore, if the whole line is 10, I've already used up 6. Therefore, ED would simply be 10 minus 6 is 4 centimeters. So fairly simple question, but just little aspects of flavor here and there for you. I trust you found this video helpful. If you did, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.